Well, hello. I got an email from YouTube saying that if I don't make a video for this channel, they're going to remove monetization. And if I want monetization back, then I'm going to have to reapply and do all the watch hours and all that sort of stuff to get the monetization back. So if they demonetize this channel, that means that all the videos that are on this channel that are getting views all the money will go, instead of me getting my cut, all the money will go straight to YouTube. So rather than that happening, here's a video. Now, what have I been doing since I last made a video on this channel? I don't know how long it's been, but it's been probably a few years. Well, what happened was I had a few channels that I was doing at the same time, and I had my 3D printing channel, this one. I had a motorcycle channel, and I had a couple of other channels, and I found I was just spreading myself too thin. So I thought, what I need to do is just put all my energies into one channel and just make that my focus and really push that channel. And at the time, the channel that was most responsive, most supportive of what I was doing was my motorcycle channel. So I thought, okay, I'm going to pause all my other channels and just focus on my motorcycle channel for 12 months and just see where it goes and see what happens. Well, that channel is now at 45,000 subscribers. It's called Bikes I Like. I don't know if you can see. There we go. Bikes I Like. And yeah, it's really well supported. I've had over 10 million views on that channel. And so that's where I put all my time nowadays. But while I'm here, if you feel there's a need for me to come back to this channel and start making more videos, I still am 3D printing. I 3D print every week. I design parts and, make parts for myself. Stuff like this is a GoPro holder for my motorcycle. And what I do is when I'm riding, I have a backpack which has like a couple of straps on it, and I just hook it onto the front of the backpack and drop my GoPro in like so. I have a little strap, a wrist strap, which hooks around onto here, and then there's an opening in the bottom. I can just press the button to start recording while I'm riding, and it just is mounted to my chest like that. Now, the reason why I wanted to do that is because I wanted to be able to change views quickly and easily. And so what I can do, I can go from here, and then what I also do is leave it on my backpack, take the GoPro out, and as I'm riding, just hang it on my wrist, and I can just reach down, hit record, get some different views while I'm riding, and then pull over and put it back into my chest mount, and record videos like that for the motorcycle. So I'm just making stuff all the time and designing bits and pieces. Here's another little thing. So this is my Zoom H1 recorder, and I've just got a little stand that I designed and 3D printed for the back of the recorder. So I keep this in the back of my jacket to record the audio and the exhaust note of the motorcycle, and then this is for reviews, etc. But then if I'm out somewhere, I can just pop it on the ground, set it up, and or sit it beside me and record audio, whatever. Stuff like that. I'm designing, modelling, 3D printing all the time. But yeah, at the time I was just getting much more support. The community was just much more engaged in my videos than the 3D printing side. So I just put all my energies into the motorcycle channel. So in summing up, this is a video to say good day. It's been quite a few years. A video to keep the monetization on this channel going, and also a bit of a feel, put out the feeler gauges to see if you guys still want me to make videos on this channel or not. All right, I think I'll call it quits there. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.